Okay guys, check out this bad mamma jamma. This is a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. It's got the winch up front, the aftermarket front bumper, rollover bar. This has a TERAFLEX lift on it. Well, it's about a $5,000 lift. These come with like Dana 44s. You can see they've done different diff covers over on there. Here's your TERAFLEX. So there's a 38-inch tires on it. I believe it's about a 6-7 inch lift. You see these are 38-inch tires. Bilstein shocks. It's got your sliders here. This is leather loaded. Does come with your all-weather subwoofer. So it looks like it's got a chipped on it. Here's your winch control. So this whole thing was rhino lined on the exterior. Got a keyless entry. Let me start it up here for you. So it's got like 28,000 miles on it. Screen. Cruise control. There's your disconnect sway bar and your locking differential. You can lock front and rear on this. Your sway bar disconnect. Check out all my inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.